Hello, my name is Abraham Millán. I am finishing my degree of Product Design Engineering and Mechanical Engineering in Malaga, but I consider myself like a designer, a maker, and haptic researcher. And now I am here because I want to show you my dream project called Tuso. Haptics is the tech that touches you instead of you have to touch. In Tuso, we are designing haptics interface as a new communication alternative with the aim of breaking down accessibility barriers for people with sensory disabilities. Our project is based on the needs of blind and low vision people. There are close to 30 million of visually impaired in Europe, but we only see 1 or 2 in the street. They can't move freely because they haven't got the information they need. The market tried to fix this using the ear, but the ear are their eyes. So why not to use the touch sense to transmit part of the information? Instantly, the sense of touch became our battleground. The first idea was Gantt, a haptic interface in your hand that can transmit a wide range of info by vibration. Before, I started to test some ideas, finding out the best place to study. I decided to use the top part of the hand as it is very sensitive, but assuming the difficulty of designing in that part. By testing and iterating, we reached the final design that solves almost everything. In parallel, we discovered that the first thing we'll do Gantt is guiding, so we started to test that. But after a deep testing phase, we realized that the user didn't feel well enough. We went back and we asked, what is the main problem we want to solve? Mobility in the street. We tried new body plates with a bracelet, a ring, a band. For this purpose, we created an haptic SDK. Haptic points were reduced to 3, and we designed a library of haptic messages that we can do with it. In this new approach, I created a haptic module in order to improve the quality of the signal perception. Also, different foams were considered for vibration isolation, and lattice structures were added, optimizing the solution of this problem. Electronics were reduced to this size, improving flexibility of the device and skin adhesion. We realized it in the middle of the process that this band is not only useful for disabled people, it's also powerful for that people that drive, offering safe driving by reducing the risk of an accident due to distractions. In this way, Arrowborn, a wearable that guides you safely wherever you want to go using only the touch sense. The way of use is simple. Ask your phone where you want to go, and when you start to move, you will start to feel intuitive sensations. We are still testing the band, improving the design, and coding the app. We will launch a crowdfunding campaign at the end of this year with a 3D printed version. As a designers, we have the responsibility and the possibility of improve our society and to fix the world as we know today. With our project, we want to impact in the lives of sensorially disabled people, meanwhile we are saving you to be disabled. Together, we can